Hi, I'm Wendy Merchant, the Executive Director for STEMblazers. We're a local nonprofit here in Colorado working with middle school and high school students to inspire the next generation of young women to pursue a career in science, technology, engineering, and math. We're also a proud partner of the Cherry Creek School District, and I'm very excited to share with you that we will be providing a summer program for middle school students called Empowerment and STEM Exploration. We hope you will join us. Also, I'd like to say thank you to the Cherry Creek School District for including us in your stream today. I'm sure you're getting some great content coming across and some great videos. The next video you're about to see is one with Jamie Robinson and Eleanor. They will be doing a science experiment from their home, and I'm sure you'll be excited to try it yourself once you have a chance. We hope you enjoy this video and all the content coming across, and we will see you soon.
Hi everyone, I'm Janie and this is my daughter Eleanor.
Hi.
We're going to do a demonstration with you today and it is called Pop Top. So what we want to do first is teach you a little bit about a chemical reaction and then we'll talk about what it is to be a design engineer. So let's get together our supplies first. The supplies you'll need are safety goggles, something like this, some vinegar, some baking soda, a film canister, or any pop top really, anything that has a top that'll pop off, measuring spoons, some Kleenex, and a timer, and you can just use your phone for a timer. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna pretend that we are process or design engineers, and you have a client who wants the top to pop off of a film canister in exactly 2 seconds from the moment the lid is put on. Your job is to design the system to do this every time safely and within budget. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna think a little bit about how we're gonna get that pop top to come off at 2 seconds every time we do it. So first we need to think about how we're gonna do it. So what do you think we need to do?
I think we have to put in all of the materials and then put the lid on for the place that they get all messy.
Yeah, okay, let's give it a try. So first thing, we have to protect our eyes. So let's put our safety goggles on. Okay, and then we're gonna take our piece of tissue or Kleenex, and I would recommend taking it apart so that you've got really thin piece of Kleenex like this. Okay, and tear it into a little piece like this. So you have a little piece like this maybe. All right, the next thing, you're gonna take your baking soda and you're gonna measure out the same exact amount every time you do it. So I'm gonna get a little bit out and we're gonna level it off so that we're using the same amount every time. So actually we're gonna put it in the Kleenex, okay? So we're gonna put it in that Kleenex. And then let's wrap it up so that it's like a little ball
And then put it in
of
there.
baking soda. Yeah, so actually I want you to hold on to this. You got that?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we've got our canister and our vinegar, and we're gonna put exactly the same amount of vinegar in. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure out my vinegar, put it into my film canister, and I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3 spoonfuls. And we're gonna remember that number 3 so that we can repeat it next time. Okay, so the next step is when I say go, you're gonna drop the baking soda into the film canister and we will time how long it takes for the top to pop off. If it's 2 seconds, then we'll do it again with the same exact measurements and make sure that we can repeat that. If not, we'll try some different measurements of the baking soda or the vinegar. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Set, go. And then we'll wait and see if the top pops off. Oh, I see some bubbles. Is it gonna go? It's foaming a little bit. Woo! And it did it. What do you think of that?
Good.
Wow.
Can we do it again, Mom?
So yes, we can. So look, it took 21 seconds for the amount of vinegar and baking soda that we put in to make the top pop off. So now we need to think about it. What do you think we should do? We need it to come off in 2 seconds instead of 21 seconds. What should we change?
We said, oh, I have a plan what might make it.
So let's try 3 spoonfuls of baking soda this time. There you go, right here. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay, now let's wrap it up just like we did before. And I'm gonna keep the amount of vinegar the same. So we had put 3 in there before. So let's do the same. 1,
No, let's do
2.
4. Let's do 4.
Okay, well, I think that's a good idea, but let's only change 1 parameter at a time. So we will keep the vinegar the same and keep the.
When I say go, you do it, okay?
Okay, can you see that just for a moment? Thank you.
I dropped it in, okay?
Okay, and hold that really tight.
But can you put the?
And we got to get the timer ready again because we're trying to get 2 seconds. Remember, that's what the client wanted. So we're going to reset it. Ready?
Yes, put the one on when I put it in.
Okay, ready, set, go. And stand back.
I want to get away from it.
You're going to get away from it?
Yeah.
Wow. So that one took 8 seconds. So we're getting a little closer to what the client was wanting.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm gonna jump back in here.
Yeah. So do you see what we're doing here? So what do you think would make the top pop even faster?
4 scoops of
Maybe
that.
4 scoops. You want to give that one a try?
Actually 5. Let's do
You want
5.
to try 5? Let's do it.
But Mom, can I put the baking soda in?
Yeah, if you want to do the baking soda. Okay, you do 5 scoops of that, okay?
Okay.
I'll find the top.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Very good. Okay, wrap that up.
6.
Oh, you're gonna go 6. Okay, wrap it up. Let's keep the amount of vinegar the same. We're gonna stick with 3 spoonfuls of vinegar. 1, 2.
I wanted to do
3.
this.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll let you do it next time, okay? Okay, are we ready? Do you think it's gonna be 2 seconds?
I hope it's not.
Okay, ready? Put it in there.
I'm gonna get away from it.
This one's taking a little longer.
Oh yeah.
All right, that one took 15 seconds. I think we might have had a lid issue there.
Oh yeah.
But so you get the idea of what we're doing here. So part of being a process engineer or a design engineer is designing processes or designing experiments that are repeatable. So once you're able to get the top to pop off at 2 seconds, then you want to repeat it multiple times to make sure that your measurements are correct and make sure that you're able to repeat those results every single time. So I hope you enjoyed our demonstration today, and we will see you later.
Can I do it again without videotape?
Sure, we can keep doing it. You want to say goodbye?
Good night.
Bye. Thank you.